Hello everyone, welcome to Housey, and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Nexus Skydale, which is located near Pandre Basti Road, Katevasti, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by Nexus Group. So right behind me the construction is going on of this project, and right in front of me you get a road. This is called Pandre Basti Road, which on the right side it connects you to Mumbai-Bangalore highway, and on the left it connects you to Katevasti Road. So in this video we'll be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, and many more. But before we go ahead with this project, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike any other current listing platforms where your inquiry is shared with number of brokers, Housey is different. Housey connects you directly with the builders. That means transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today with Housey. This project will be constructed on 4 acres of land parcel, 5 towers with 2 basement plus ground plus 21 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residency. Now let's discuss the location and connectivity of this project. As you can see, I'm standing on the actual road of this project, which is located near Pandre Basti Road, Katevasti, Punavle, Pune. इस लोकेशन की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है होटल संदीप 700 मीटर, जूडियो 750 मीटर, and Indira College 3.1 kilometer. Now let's discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities with the likes of swimming pool, gymnasium, multi-purpose court, senior citizen sit-out area, kids play, and many more. Now let's discuss the carpet area of this project. This project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies with 3 BHK 937 and 948 square feet and 4 BHK 1260 and 1332 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client can come and visit the site, and our sales team will explain the complete project details along with project 3D model. We'll also share the pricing and payment schemes, and we'll also show you the actual location tour, and if the client likes the project, we can go ahead with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of Nexus Skydale, which is located near Pandre Basti Road, Katevasti, Punavle, Pune, and is developed by Nexus Group. You can also like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and also do visit www.housey.com to book your dream home today, and you can also click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.